Some reward games ask for access to your contacts, but many game-based earning apps focus on gameplay activity, progress tracking, and reward systems instead. By the end, you'll know what to check before installing a game that pays, how to avoid apps asking for unnecessary permissions, and what features separate useful reward games from time-wasting ones. The first thing to check is app permissions. A game that pays should explain why it needs access to your device features, and a contact's permission is usually unrelated to tracking your gameplay progress. Before installing any reward game, review the permissions screen and only allow access that makes sense for the app's main function. Most reward games work by tracking actions inside the game. This can include reaching certain levels, completing tasks, playing for specific amounts of time, or meeting other requirements shown inside the app. Read the reward requirements before starting, because some offers only count after you complete specific steps. Another thing to check is how the app handles rewards. Some games use points that can later be exchanged for cash, gift cards, or other rewards, while others use different systems. Check the cash-out rules before spending time on a game because earning points does not always mean immediate payment. You should also look at how transparent the app is. Reliable reward platforms usually provide information about available tasks, reward progress, and account settings directly inside the app. Avoid apps that make large earning claims but do not clearly explain how rewards are calculated. A good reward game should fit your expectations. These apps are generally designed for earning small rewards while playing, not replacing a regular income source. Choose games that you would enjoy playing even without the reward, because the time spent completing tasks should still feel worthwhile. Before choosing a game, compare the permission requests, reward system, payout options, and user reviews. Those details help you decide whether an app deserves space on your phone. The next time you download a reward game, check the permissions first and avoid giving access to information the app does not need. If this guide helped you find safer reward games, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of money apps, earning platforms, and digital tools.